Happy Sunday night, everybody. This is Jill with Greenwood Girl Cards, and I got to have some crafty time this afternoon. And rather than wait till next Saturday to share this or later this week, I thought I would just come on tonight and share it. So I'm going to show you some of the things that I used, and then we'll look at the projects that I made. So I used this piece of watercolor cardstock that I painted up with some Prima shimmer paints earlier. I think it was actually last summer. And I had this left over in my scrap bin, and I used it to cut out some Easter tags. So I'll be showing you those, and I will attach the Prima paints down below if I can find them. I got them on Amazon. I use these My Creative Time Easter egg dies, and these are Easter tag. They're egg dies that you can make tags with or just use to decorate projects. And they come with a stitched outer, a stitched inner layer as well as the scallop outer layer. And they are absolutely adorable. And I've had these for a while, and I just haven't used them. I got them last year, actually, for Easter. That was when I ordered them, but I wanted to be sure and use them this year because I never got to make projects with them last year. So I pulled those out today. Some of the things I used to make my projects are this beautiful ribbon that is from the Joann's Fabric and Crafts. And I think maybe somebody gave that to me. I'm not sure. I used, here, let me set this stuff aside for a second. I used some seam binding from Paper Sweeties. Debbie from Paper Sweeties tea dyes all of her seam binding and crinkles it for you. And then she bundles it up. So it's all got some tea dyed color to it, and I just love it. I use this Bow Bunny paper pad, and these are soft shades of their double dot designs. So it's all like spring colors. So I pulled this out today, and I pulled out some spring paper pads. This one is, it's called On the Bright Side 2, and it's a My Mind's Eye paper pad. So I pulled this out, and I ended up using some of the papers in here. And then this is just some of the stamps I am going to take upstairs to work with this week. So I just have those in a bin ready to go. And then what prompted my crafting was that Emma sent me some new release items to play with. Emma's a sweet friend of mine, and she made this that says, wishing you a blessed Easter, and it's got these little chocolates in it. I think they're Reese's peanut butter cups because they've got an R on them. And look at how the foil is. It's like rainbow foil. They're really cute, and she used rainbow paper. And then she has this little red, this little purple lavender bow, and she used one of her sentiments from her new set, and I just love this. And if you go to her website now, there's a new way of showing the pictures with each item, and it's just awesome. So if you haven't been over to her website to see that, you can really see all of the projects that they've done using the new products that she just released. So this is the little bag topper, and I'm going to show it to you in just a second. She even sent me some little dimensionals to use, which was really sweet. These are Scrapbook Adhesives. And then these are her new release products. These are little dies that will cut the ribbon end dies. So like if you want to make a piece of paper that has that indentation that we all do at the edge, that's what these dies are for. So I'm so excited to have these, and I can't wait to try them out. Then she sent this beautiful Happy Easter. And again, there's samples of all of these on the website, so go check out the website. It's incredible. And Emma just has a fabulous design team. And then this is the stamp set, and I actually used a bunch of the sentiments tonight in my creating, and I cannot wait to color this. There's a really cute card on the website that shows how she used the sweet bunnies that are painting the Easter eggs. So I can't wait to play with this more and make more cards. But for tonight, since I was working with those egg dies, I used this Wishing You a Blessed Easter. I used the Happy Easter. I used this Wishing You Peace, Love, and Happiness Always inside a card. And then I used this May Your Basket Always Be Filled with Joy, Hope, and Love. So this is just a fantastic Easter set. It has a big Happy Easter and a smaller one. It has a smaller Happy Spring. It has the sentiments I showed you about, and then it also has Easter greetings along with the cute little bunny image. So she also sent me the matching dies to go with the flowers and the bunny image. That was so generous of you. Oh my goodness. And then here's that little bag topper I showed you. I just love this. This is going to be so sweet to make some little chocolate treats with like she did. So you can see this is what it creates. Okay, so you die cut this out, fold it in half around the bag. So, and then you just take the inner piece and die cut it and then stamp the sentiment. So really easy and sweet. And then this makes the cutest little bag. So go to the website so you can check this out. This is called the Fancy Treat Box die. And this is called the Fancy Topper die. Okay, so all of these new products are on the My Creative Time website, and I had so much fun playing with the stamp set tonight. So let me get on to what I made tonight, because I had so much fun playing with all these products. And what I created are some little Easter tags. And here, hold on just a second. Let me get my little butterfly here, because the light ends up causing glare. So I made a bunch of these little tags, and here you can see that glimmer or shimmer watercolor cardstock that I painted with the beautiful robin's egg blue, which I always have to make robin's egg blue Easter eggs every year, whether paper or actual dyed Easter eggs. So I made some in pink, and this is a little star-shaped paper that I had, and then on the back it says, "Wishing you a blessed Easter." So there's that one, and this one I left white on the back, and this one says, "May your basket always be filled with joy, hope, and love." So these are so simple. The little seam binding that's been tea dyed is on here, and then I made a bow and glued the bow in place. And then this is a beautiful green rose paper, and it says, "Wishing you a blessed Easter." And you could put this part on the front if you wanted, but I just thought it looked pretty to just have the egg show with the bow. So that's how I did these ones. And on these smaller ones, again, these ones are painted with that Prima Shimmer paint, and these ones say Happy Easter. And I did cut the Happy Easter in half so I could stack it on my block and stamp it really easily. So these ones just say Happy Easter, both of these. They're so cute. I love how that shimmer paint really kind of glows and shimmers, obviously. And then there's one more of these that's in the light green with the pink roses, and that says, "May your basket always be filled with joy, hope, and love." So I made all these little tags for Easter, and I want to make some more that have yellows and other colors. But I started with these because these were the scraps of paper that I had on my desk. And I'm always trying to use up my scraps, and these egg dyes are the perfect thing to use up the little scraps that you have on your desk. And then I also pulled out that piece of watercolor cardstock that I had sitting in my scrap bin. So those are those. And then I also created a card, and I think I forgot. Did I forget to bring the stamp down? I think I did. I left this stamp upstairs, but I have shown it in a previous video. But I will show it to you guys maybe in the next video I film. But it's an older Woodblock Wonder stamp, and I just love this little image of this bunny holding a carrot from the garden, surrounded by flowers. There's a little heart patch on the carrot, and it's just such a sweet little image. I used Emma's. Here, I'll show you. I did use, what did I do with those other dies? Did I bring them down? Geez, I think I forgot to bring the other dies down. I used her fun circle dies, which, you know, she brought this die set back. This is the same die that I used to make the giant snowman at Christmas time, the snowman tag. And so I used that same die set. And then on the inner circle, I don't know if you can see it, but I embossed it with this floral embossing folder. It's a 3D Sizzix embossing folder. So this is embossed in the background with flowers to kind of pick up on the flowers in the stamp set. And then I just used that ribbon that I showed you from Joann's in the background and a pretty striped paper from that My Mind's Eye paper pad. I used that Happy Easter sentiment from the stamp set from My Creative Time that I showed you. And then inside I added the "Wishing you peace, love, and happiness always." And I did include some of the papers on the inside of the card. And then I added the leftover circle that I die cut here to put on the back. And I added a little handmade by at the bottom, which I will sign. So I just think this card turned out so cute. This little bunny image is adorable. And I will bring the stamp down to show you guys. I'll hold on to this card down here and I'll show it in my next video so that you guys can see the stamp too. But it's an old woodblock stamp that I've had in my stash for a long time. So that is everything I have to share with you tonight. I had so much fun taking an hour to myself this evening after doing all the housework and cleaning up around my kitchen, my yard, a little bit outside, doing garbages, all the stuff you have to do before you start your week, including laundry. So I am getting ready to head to bed. It's about 9 o'clock here in the Pacific Northwest. So probably most of you won't see this video tomorrow that are on the East Coast because you're already all in bed, I think. But anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed their weekend. I had a lot of fun watching all the Saturday morning videos that I was able to watch so far. I just finished watching one from Nancy Martinez. I watched a new one from Claudette from her channel, and I shared her video. So I hope you guys will go check out her channel and her very first Saturday Morning Makes episode. And just so excited to see that we're already at, I think, 955 videos have been shared since we started doing Saturday Morning Makes, and that's 52 episodes ago. So 52 weeks in a year. We've been doing this over a year now, you guys, because I did take a few months off at Christmas, or a few weeks off at Christmas. But we've been sharing art together for a year, 52 weeks for sure, and a little bit over really, because some of you worked through Christmas, and even I did a few shares during Christmas, even though I didn't do official Saturday Morning Makes videos for a few weeks while I was trying to get Christmas cards and packages out. So anyway, thank you all for creating so much fun. I want to thank Miss Emma at My Creative Time for always innovating and creating such wonderful products and sharing them with all the Saturday Morning Makes community, and just supporting us and supporting Saturday Morning Makes by sharing her videos. Emma's just a really sweet lady, and I'm so happy to call her friend. So I hope you guys all have a wonderful week. Monday is tomorrow, so everybody have a great week. Choose joy, count your blessings, and my heart and prayers are with everybody that is going through hard things, and I know that there are many of us. And I send my love out to all my crafty friends and all of those that you are grieving. My love goes out to Tina and her family, to Susan and Mike, to Kat and Brian, to P and her family. So many of you have shared that you have hard things going on, Annette and Kevin, and just so many of you. So I can't name everybody. Mary, there's a lot of people that are going through health things, but just know that my heart and prayers are always with everybody. And I always just say, at the end of my prayers, I always say, God, just take care of all my friends, the ones that I don't even know are going through hard stuff. So all of you that are out there that are struggling, just know that prayers are lifted for you every day when I pray. And I wish you all the very best. God bless you. Have a great week. And I will definitely see you on Saturday for Saturday Morning Makes. All right. Bye.